The manual light indicates the pilot has selected manual AC or manual DC mode with the mode selector. In manual mode, the pilot controls the main outflow valve manually with the outflow valve switch. Now touch the outflow valve switch. The outflow valve switch controls the main outflow valve when in manual mode. The switch is spring-loaded to a center neutral position. Full range travel of the valve requires approximately 7 seconds in manual AC mode and 14 seconds in manual DC mode. Travel of the valve varies depending on the setting of the flight ground switch.